What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth coming at y'all to make some nachos. Real easy, real simple, because I forgot most of the ingredients that make it taste that it's gonna make it. I forgot some of the ingredients, y'all, but we gonna make it do what it do, okay? Anyways, if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I got the pan heating already. I had this kind of ground beef, y'all see it's cut in half. I already washed my hands, and I'm just gonna put it in there, okay? Bam. Make sure you wash your hands before you start cooking and doing everything, okay? Get rid of all this stuff. Clean while you cook, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is with me. Clean while you cook. And this right here, this piece is gonna get pulled away. I'm gonna wrap this up and put it away. I think I got too much. I don't know, but whatever. Just go ahead and go on, let it do what it do, okay? I got the stove kind of high, child. Turn it down a little bit. So what we're gonna do is just get this ground beef. We're gonna brown it or cook it. Put whatever seasonings you like on it. I'm gonna use a little bit of Tony's, which is this Creole seasoning. That's what that is, Creole seasoning. I just bought it, so gotta open it up. Sprinkle a little bit of that on it. I know I'll put taco seasoning on it too, but I'm gonna put the Tony's on it first and let it cook in the Tony's. The taco seasoning come at the end. I think I actually got too much meat, but it's all good because I can always, once I cook it, save it for the next day. Now usually, like I said, I forgot some of the ingredients. I would put some onions, some bell peppers, and all of that in here. And I don't know why I didn't get that when I was at the store. I was too busy trying to vlog and forgot what to get, child. So right now this is gonna be a real basic, some real basic nachos, but they gonna work, okay? It's gonna work. Turn the stove back up. So I'm gonna brown these. I think I did need a little bit more seasoning because they look a little bland. I don't like them to look bland. You gotta put some parsley in them to make them look cute, y'all. Y'all already know parsley make everything look cute. Whenever y'all see photos on Instagram or Facebook or food, it already got some green stuff on the top, right? Make it look cute. Okay, that's all parsley do. Make it look cute because it don't taste like nothing. You can go out the door and get you some grass off the ground, child, and sprinkle that in your food, and you'll be fine too. I'm just playing, y'all. Don't do that. This is a little cayenne pepper to give it a little kick, y'all. That's just gonna give it a little kick. You don't need but a little bit of cayenne pepper, honey, because cayenne pepper, it got a little kick to it now. If you overuse cayenne pepper, your food gonna be real hot. So I'm just gonna brown this meat right here. When it come back to a brown, I mean when I get through browning it. Why they say browning it, child? When I get through cooking this here meat, I'm gonna come back to y'all and let y'all see the next step, okay? Okay, y'all. So I got the ground beef already cooked, and I got the taco seasoning mix. I'm gonna use the mild one. I got the original one, but I'm gonna use the mild one, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that over there. And you gotta add water with this for my meat burn up, y'all. I need to put some water in there for my meat burn. I put the water in the packet, and I think it called for like a cup of water. I just put like 3 packets of water in there with it. And let that start back cooking. And then I'm going to bring that to a boil and let that settle down so the meat can season itself or whatever. I'll put 2 packets in there too. Anybody who was looking at my belly earlier, I done pulled up my pants, y'all. I had forgot, y'all. You know, fat belly girl problems, you know. Hey. Big belly, it don't matter. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put another packet in here and let this simmer. That's pretty much it, y'all. I ain't got too much more left to go. Put another packet of this in here and add another packet of water. Let that simmer get a little thick, and then I'll be right back. I always use 2 packets in there when I did. I think I used half of that, so that's like, that was a 5-pound roll of beef. So this probably about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. So 2 packets to a pack. I think it go like 1 pound. For each package you get 1 pound. Yeah, because it says 1 pound. But shoot, I use 2 packets. I might put a 3rd one in if it don't taste flavory enough. But I got enough sodium in there, so I ain't gonna do nothing else because I had put my own seasonings in there anyway. So I'll bring that to a little simmer, let that cook in, let it soak in or whatever, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I am done. This ground beef right here is done. I am letting it simmer. As you can see, the water has cooked down in it and soaked into the meat real good with the seasoning, and I tasted it and it tastes good. So while I got this meat simmering right here, I am going to go ahead and start plating, getting my plates ready to make my nachos, okay, to plate it up. And I got these chips right here I got from Walmart. Look, I got good sideways, child. Lightly seasoned chili garlic tortilla chips, child. Okay, and I got some iceberg salad. I got this because it's the cheapest lettuce you can buy that's already prepared. And I got this Ortega taco sauce right here. And I also have these jalapenos. I already had these in the fridge. So I am going to start plating this up. So I'm just going to take the chips, dump them on the plate in no particular order. Make sure you got enough, because you know I'm the only female in the house, y'all. So you got make sure I got a good healthy plate here. Do everything to the rest of the plates. Same thing, each plate. These bags of chips was 92 cents from Walmart, y'all. 92 cents. So pretty much stacking them kind of high. Maybe I need some bigger plates. I don't know, but we'll make it work. What I do next is I take the lettuce and put the lettuce on top. It's actually a salad lettuce. It's not cut, you know, small, but I still like to have my green vegetables in there anyway. So I just get this the one that says salad and dump it on top. You got a little bit of carrots and I think that's purple lettuce in there. Iceberg lettuce, red cabbage. That's what's in there. Red cabbage. It's all good. It's all gonna go down the same pipe. So we're gonna put that on there. Rest these plates up. And we're gonna get ready to dig in. The reason why I got this one, y'all, because it's the cheaper one, you know. If you buy a head of lettuce, you got to come home and cut it up and all of that stuff. And ain't nobody got time for all that, for real. I really ain't got no time for that, cutting up no lettuce. I don't anyway. Now, if you want to cut up your lettuce, feel free. I got my lettuce there, all plated up, nice and ready to go. So I got my meat here. Cut that meat off. Cut that meat off. Oh, I forgot my cheese, y'all. I forgot my cheese. Get this meat and sprinkle this meat across this lettuce. Sprinkle it across there. Everybody get 2 spoons of meat. It's going to be piled up there, y'all. I forgot the extra stuff because my husband, he like all the fixing, you know, with tomatoes and sour cream. Y'all can do it y'all way, however y'all want to do it, you know. Some tomatoes or some pico de gallo, you know, that tomatoes and peppers and onions cut up. Get some of that, and honey, dig in. This is homemade. This homemade, yeah, this ain't Taco Bell, boo. This is not Taco Bell nachos. This is Nacho Bel Grande, not yo, okay? I know it look a little messy, but it's nachos, honey. Nachos ain't meant to be cute. Either way, it's going down, baby. Y'all know I can't eat cheese. Y'all know that. But I do got cheese. I got this here Fiesta blend cheese that I got from Walmart. Regular cheese on top of the meat. While the meat hot, you know, so the cheese can start melting. Cheese just gonna start melting down. Give it a few minutes, it's gonna melt down. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Ooh, that was gonna be mine, but never mind. No cheese for me. Cheese gonna start melting on there, y'all. Ooh, woo. I gotta remember not to put cheese on mine because y'all know I can't eat cheese. I'm allergic, so everybody else get cheese with me. Anybody hungry? My plate just looks sad. Poor plate. Poor baby. She don't get no cheese. Her don't get no love. These plates look like they they're not gonna hold these nachos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my plates, my plastic plates that I got in the cabinet, and I'm gonna put them up under these nachos. But I am going to put this taco sauce on there. This right here, this is Ortega. I like this. This is original medium sauce, and this, it don't got all those lumps and bumps and chunks in it. So I like it just plain, just the way it is. Just drizzle that on there like that. It look like ketchup, don't it, y'all? Look a little bit like ketchup. Ooh, put that on mine. Here go my little lonely plate over here. Looking a little beautiful. Looking all beautiful. It's all good. It's all good, y'all. Okay, look at that plate. Now I'm gonna get a little. Ooh, I need some more sauce in there because it looks like I'm lacking, slacking, and all of that. Sauce department. We go across them one more time, so nobody won't be saying they ain't got enough. Somebody good gonna bust over with these with these nachos right here, cause there's a lot of stuff, honey. So get your little jalapeno peppers. Sprinkle them across the top. Sprinkle them. Ooh. And if you got if you like sour cream, tomatoes, or whatever, honey, make this stuff your own. Make your nachos your own. Everybody get a little bit. Everybody don't eat jalapenos, so I'm just gonna put a few on top of each one, because I don't know if people eat jalapenos. Now, if you put stuff like you see my hands right here, honey, make sure you don't wash your hands. Don't be putting your hands on folk food without you don't wash your hands in the kitchen. Make sure you wash your hands about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times while you're in the kitchen, okay? Okay, you guys, this is my look, when you make it cute, honey, put your little parsley on top, okay? Just to look like, make it look like you done did something, I'm telling you. Make it look like you done did something, girl. People gonna be like, ooh. Okay, and look a little bit better when you done look like you be done did something to it. Make it look a little bit presentable. I know these places don't look all that presentable. Sprinkle a little black pepper on top for a little, you know, just to look like you're garnished it a little bit with black pepper. I got some plastic plates right here that I'm gonna put under the bottom of these, because these kind of messy. So they're kind of heavy, I mean, so I'm gonna give it a little security right here with the plastic plate. So I'm gonna do that to all the plates over here. And then we about to eat, y'all. We about to eat. I would do a mukbang with this, but honey, I'm finna go eat and watch TV, okay? I don't feel like playing on camera right now. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like up close and personal. We getting ready to dig in, and ooh boy, mine back there on Little Lonely, just back there being lonely with no cheese, just chilling off in the cut. But this is what they look like up close. Nachos, real cheap. I think I fed everybody for under 10 bucks again. I think I managed to do that. Yes, I think I did. The cheese was like $2 and some change, or $1 and some change. So we're gonna say $2 for the cheese, probably $5 for the ground beef, because we only use half of it. Then the jalapenos was I already had them, and the chips was 92 cents, and 92 cents was all 4 plates. Okay, anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and that's all I got to say in this video. Let me take a bite. I gotta take a bite with no cheese, honey. Let me just take a bite. My little lonely nachos with no cheese. It might not have cheese, but it's so good. Come on, meat. Come through, meat. I'll put the rest of that meat on there, honey. That's good, y'all. Make y'all some nachos tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. And that's all I got to say in this video. And I'm going to holler at y'all later. Bye.